Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Santos de Cartier watch, mid-size or medium size in yellow gold with a white or silver dial, reference WGSA0030. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start just with a tiny bit of history. Now, Cartier has been around for a long time, more than 100 years and even longer than Rolex. Louis Cartier and a Brazilian aviator named Alberto Santos Dumont, they came up with a watch they wanted to do a collaboration, and they came up with the Santos. And it's been around for quite some time. I guess it would be more than 100 years. And this is a square watch. At least in my eyes, it looks like a square watch. Yes, the case is a little bit more than square, but the dial itself is more or less a square. Yeah, it has rounded edges of the square, but it's still a square. And so there's a couple of collections that have done really well for Cartier. Santos is definitely one of them. The Bag Noir does well. And the Panther does really well. And when I say well, I mean it's really popular and they sell much closer to list, at least on the secondary market. And so the Santos is a really good collection for Cartier. They just did a great job on it. And they produced this Santos in many different sizes and variations. They have it in rose gold, yellow gold, steel, and so on. And this one, they make it in small, medium, large. This one happens to be medium. So it can be worn by a man or a woman. And so with that, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. Now the case is going to be yellow gold, as I stated earlier. And this is the mid-size. So they make two sizes. The mid-size is going to be 35 millimeters. And since it's a square, it's going to be 35 going up and down. But that's referring to the left and the case width. 35 millimeters is the case width. That means from 9 to 3 o'clock. Now, if you go for 12 to 6, it's going to be longer because you see that it has the lugs that connect to the bracelet. But still, it's 35 basically millimeter, which is, if you think about a Rolex Datejust, it's at either 31 or 36 millimeter. And so it's on the little bit bigger side, but it's still mid-size. It's not a small. The thickness is only 9 millimeters thick, and that's pretty nice because it's using a quartz movement. It's not that thick. And yeah. Okay, now what else I like about this case is that it really has this wraparound look in that it has a curvature that makes it contour to your wrist and really makes the watch sit a lot smoother than any other, not any other watch, but a lot of other watches. And the bracelet they did a really nice way of contouring it, as I said, so that it fits your wrist really well. Okay, and that's the case. It has a high polished beveled edge with a satin finish top, very nicely done. Okay, and then let's move on to the bezel. Now I like this bezel in that it has exposed screws that actually run down the side of the watch into the bracelet and make the watch look like it's integrated. And I think Cartier did a great job of making this have that Art Deco look. And this is their version of integrated watch. Now, nowadays, every brand's trying to do an integrated watch. Royal Oak, AP has a Royal Oak, Patek has the Nautilus, Rolex has a Land Dweller, and so on and so forth. Cartier has the Santos. So it's a really nice way to integrate the watch, and it's a big seller for them. Okay, anyways, that's the bezel, high polish with these exposed screws. And then let's look at the dial. Dial is just they actually call this a silver dial, but to me it looks white. So I'm going to call it white they call it silver opaline, okay? With the standard Cartier Roman numerals, what they're famous for. And these blue sword hands, again, what they're famous for. All right? Let's look at the bracelet here. The bracelet, as I stated earlier, it's a continuation of the bezel, and just really, these screws are decorative, but they really make the watch look integrated. And the bracelet is very, very form-fitting. And actually, you can remove the bracelet. The newer generations, you can change the bracelets without having to use any tools, and you could change it with the leather bracelet, which actually, if you ask me, is a pretty good way to wear the watch. Sometimes you don't want to wear this full gold, it's a little much, so wearing it on partial leather bracelet is pretty nice too. Okay, let's move on to the movement here. The movement cannot be seen anyway, so I'm not so sure there's so much to say, but it's a caliber 1847 MC. It's quartz movement, and yeah, that's about it. So, okay. I'm sorry. You know what? I totally messed that up. It's not a quartz. I was looking at this thing and thinking, you know what? It's not quartz. It's actually a mechanical movement. And I was going to say, it's so thin at 9 millimeters. I actually thought it was a quartz movement, but it's not. And now I look a little more carefully. Probably the small one is quartz movement, and I have to double check that. But this one is not. It's actually automatic movement. That's crazy. Because I was thinking, how could they offer a quartz watch at this price? No, the price point at $39,000 retail is going to have an automatic movement, which is pretty cool. And considering they made it really thin, it's yeah, they did well. I think they had to get rid of the date to do that, but still, okay, that's really nice. Okay. Time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. Now, I like Cartier of their collections. I have to say probably the Santos is my favorite of their collections. And I like that a woman could wear it because it does have just a beautiful look. And for those women who like to wear larger watches, this definitely could work. And actually, I would even say for those men who like to wear smaller watches could also work as well. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And look, the watch retails for $39,000, but we're selling it way less than that at jazztime.com. It's somewhere, I think it might be even, let me see, let me just double check our website to find out what we're selling for. Somewhere, low 30s. So that's like, I don't know what, 30% off or more than, something like that. It's a lot of percentage off. Oh, sorry. It's around 15% off. But yeah, that's a good percentage off. So look, if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.